Hello everyone, this is Naitik and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Facebook bomber using SMS bomber using Python. So just let's start. So you have to install some modules, which is AppyChat and PyFiglet, Coloroma, Term Color. Okay, so come to terminal and let's install. So pip3 install appchat, pip3 install pyfiglet, pip3 install colorama, pip3 install term color. So you can see it is showing requirement already satisfied because I have already installed all these modules. So now let's jump into our code. So first let me import appchat, then again from appchat import all, from appchat models import all, and now from pyfiglet import all. So it is not good to import all the instance from modules, but to make this video quick I am doing this. Import sys, import coloroma, sorry, it have to be from coloroma import init. So now we have to pass some strip into init. So strip equals to not and sys.std out. So I'm doing this coloroma pyfiglet, I'm using this coloroma pyfiglet and sys for the decoration of our tool. Okay, you can skip this if you don't want any decoration to your tool. From term color import cprint, and yeah, now after importing cprint, now let's write the text we want to show in our terminal, which is appy form. After this cprint, and the print will be figlet format, the text, after text font equals to digital, I want digital font, the font name is digital, and I want the font color to be blue, my favorite color. After this I want to show a print, a message to exit the program, which will be press ctrl plus C to quit the tool of the program. Okay, now after this let's jump into our fppom program. Okay, so now we need to make a variable for username equals to, which will be a string input, enter username, enter your username, and the password will be also string input, enter your password. Okay, so let me remove this. What to do? Let it be string password, and now we have to give the name of our victim. First, let me provide my username and password to our FB chat client, fbchat.client client, and pass the username and the password. After passing this into the client, let's ask for the name of the victim. So input, I don't know why it is coming every time. Enter the name, username of your victim. Enter the username of your victim. After this, let me write the message which we want to send to our victim. So before that, let's search for our victim's username. So equals to client dot search for username, search for username, and the username will be the name, and friend equals to friends index 0. Okay, friends index 0. So we are going to send the message to the first searched name. Okay, and the message will be input, enter the message. Now after entering the message, we have to write x equals to 0. So we are going to run a while loop, and y equals to int input, enter the length of message. So how many times you want to send the message will be the length of message. It can be 10, 20, 50, 100, 1000, anything. So while x is less than y, send equals to client dot send fbchat dot models dot message, and the message will be the message to friend uid, friend dot uid. Okay, now after this we'll give a condition. If sent, message is sent, print class is running. Okay, so after this, when the program will stop, when the loop will stop, it will show last stop. So now let's check this program is running or not. Now you can see the program is running correctly. So let me terminate this, and now after logging into my program, I will show you what to do next. Okay, so now let me run my program into the terminal. Python 3 facebook bomber.py. Okay, module not found. Sorry, I was running my program in a virtual environment. So let me install all these modules. Okay, pip3 install pyfiglet. Okay, we need to install the Stormcaller. So it is installed. Now let's clear this. Now let's run our program. So now you can see my program is running correctly, and now when I'm pressing Ctrl plus C, the program is stopping. Okay, so now let's run our program again. Now I'm going to pause this video for a while because I'm providing my user ID and password. So let me pause this recording for a while. So now you can see I have logged in into my program successfully. So now it is asking for enter the username of a victim. So I'm going to copy this username of my friend and I'm going to provide this. So after I give the username, it is asking for the message, so I'm going to provide the message, which will be, hey, this is my bomb. And when I hit enter, it will ask enter the length of message. So the length of the message will be 20, no, let it be 50. And when I press enter, so blast is running. You can see the blast is running, and I can show you. Now you can see here it is sending, hey, the bomb is running, hey, this is my bomb. And you can see now after sending it 50 times, my program will stop. So as you can see in terminal, blast is running, and you can see the message is also being sent. You can see here in this part. So just wait and watch what is going to happen next. So after sending it for 50 times, I think it will show up a message here, the blast stopped. So you can see here it is sending continuously the message. So I think the blast has stopped. So you can see, okay, a confirmation is required before you proceed. Actually the FB will stop the program because human can't send messages this fast. So I'm going to do something like I'll open up my program and I will import date and time. Okay, so import date time, sorry, from date time, import all. And now when the message is being sent, just okay, I have done a mistake here. We have done a mistake here. We did not incremented the value of x. Okay, so let me increment the value of x, and now I will give a sleep command here. Okay, so sleep, sorry, after the message is being sent, date time dot, okay, wait, I have forgotten in which module there is a shift. So I thought it was in date time. Import time, time dot, okay, sleep for at least 3 seconds. Okay, so now our program will sleep for 3 seconds. So I think 3 seconds is a big time, so let it be for 2 seconds. So now our program is totally ready. So in this way you can make a Facebook SMS bomber. So I will bring WhatsApp bomber soon, so stay tuned and follow me on GitHub and Instagram. Have a nice day.